Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the EPS pre-expander machine we exported to the Middle East. Since the local temperature is generally high, we equipped the machine with a cooling fan to ensure that the electrical components inside the control cabinet remain stable even in hot environments. In this video, you can see that the fan is connected to the machine through a cable. It automatically activates when the temperature reaches the preset value, providing stronger heat dissipation compared to a standard fan. In addition, the entire motor system is equipped with an over-temperature protection device, further enhancing the safety and stability of the equipment under high-temperature conditions. Next, let's take a look at the machine exterior. You can see this cooling box, which is equipped with a temperature adjustment function that allows you to control the cooling performance by setting the desired temperature. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.